Hello! In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of registering your product warranty. Let's begin. First, go to the Seagate website and click on Support. You can click on the link in the description box below to get started with registering your product warranty. Select Product Registration. If you already have a Seagate account, you can sign in using your registered email address and password. Next, select Sign In. If you don't already have one, you will have the option to create your Seagate account after providing the required information. After logging in or creating a new account if needed, you can start product registration by typing in your Seagate device serial number. To get assistance finding your product serial number, click the Need Help Finding Serial Number link above the serial number entry field. You will have options to include specific details regarding your personal and product information. Then, click Register Product. Options to include your details like your job title, industry, income, gender, and age will show on the screen. You have an option to fill out the information or skip. A confirmation message saying your Seagate device has been successfully registered will show on the screen with the device serial number. If you don't already have one, you can proceed with creating your Seagate account by entering your email address, password, secret questions, and answer. Congratulations! You have now successfully registered your Seagate product. For more details, check out our other videos. Thank you for your time and for being part of Seagate.